Ahí
Recording
encontrar
in
el bolsillo de
progress.
bolsillo.
Would you do? I'm okay with $1, Judge, if you are.
State, you want $1 on that, or you want 1,000?
1,000.
$1,000 bond for count 2 for the tampering charge.
Y por manipular pruebas se le va a imponer fianza de $1,000.
All right, and sir, just be mindful, it looks like he's from Honduras and he has an immigration hold, so yeah,
Parece que usted es hondureño y tiene orden de retención por parte de inmigración.
you may want to consult with your lawyer before you post the bond. Have a nice day.
Quizás usted quiera hablar con uno de sus abogados antes de pagar las fianzas. Pase buenas tardes.
Throw that out. There's no victim name inside. Just throw that out. Next, we have George Lopez. Page 2. Hi, Mr. Lopez. Were you able to hire an attorney?
No, I couldn't get a hold of him.
You want me to reset the case for tomorrow then, so you can call a lawyer to be here at the bond hearing?
No, not really.
You want to waive the lawyer's presence and I'll set a bond?
No.
Okay, then it's reset for tomorrow.
Huh? Well, I don't understand. I'm sorry.
I asked you if you want to waive a lawyer's presence. You said no. I asked you if you want to reset it for tomorrow. You said no. So I'm taking the path of least resistance to preserve your rights and resetting it tomorrow. You won't respond, so I'm just setting it. I'm not going to set a bond unless you agree.
Oh, he doesn't understand what it means when you say waive his presence. Are you okay not having a lawyer present?
Yes,
She
I'm
can set a bond and give you a stay order?
Yes, I'm okay.
Then you can hire a lawyer when you get out?
Yes.
Well, that's what I was saying all morning to him, and he didn't
Some
respond.
understand the word waiving there.
Okay, I'll set a bond then. Count 1, it's an attempted aggravated assault with a firearm. It's very attempted. It says he's gonna shoot her. But he goes to, I guess he goes in a room to get it. State, what do you want on this? I'm not setting 5,000.
2,500.
Count 1 will be $2,000 for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, or it's going to be, I'm sorry, for an attempted aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Count 2 battery is $1,000, and count 3 assault will be $500. I split 1 and 3. Have a good day, sir.
So just the most important thing, it looks like they're married. He lives with her. He can't go back there only one time with the police. If he goes back there under a different circumstance, then he'll get arrested.
You need to stay away from her, sir. I don't know if you have kids with her or not, but maybe it's time to move on. But there's a life, believe me, there's life after a marriage. You got to deal with these charges. Okay, we don't want you to get hurt and the victim to get hurt. Just stay away from her. Contact an attorney and they'll explain your rights to you, okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Next case is Rainier Rodriguez Sandoval, page 2.
Spanish, please.
Good afternoon. Why did I reset it?
So, Judge, I spoke to the deputy, and it appears that they were outside playing dominoes, and the
Right.
victims believed that the defendant was going into the house to get the gun.
He needs a
He never touched the gun. He didn't
Okay.
get to it yet.
Que su señoría está preguntando que por qué postergó el caso. La fiscal adjunto está respondiendo que las víctimas están indicando que ellos estaban jugando dominó y que usted entró a la casa, parece a buscar un arma de fuego, pero que nunca tocó el arma de fuego.
All right.
So the battery's okay.
For 2 counts of battery.
Así que la acusación entonces son 2 acusaciones por agresión corporal.
How long have you lived in Miami, sir?
Señor, ¿cuánto tiempo tiene viviendo en el condado de Miami-Dade? Señor.
Ahí donde estoy viviendo, o sea,
I've been living right there for 6 years.
Well, now you got to find somewhere else to live. You can't go back there. You understand?
Pues ahora usted no podrá seguir viviendo ahí, va a tener que buscar otro sitio donde vivir. ¿Usted entendió?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay. So any objection to pre-trial for counts?
I'll defer to the court.
What?
Up to you, Judge. I see no criminal history.
Okay. Pre-trial services, alternate bond. Count 1, 2, and 3, no probable cause, release outright.
Su señoría le preguntó a la fiscalía si protestaba, si había protesta alguno con el servicio de intervención previa a juicio y qué tipo de fianza le impondría. La fiscal adjunta se lo permitió a su señoría. Su
And
señoría está
counts 4 and 5, there's probable cause for battery for each count. It's pretrial alternate $1,000 each count.
y las acusaciones 4 y 5, su señoría ha determinado que sí hay motivo fundado, así que son o el servicio de intervención previa a juicio o $1,000 de fianza por cada acusación.
All right, have a nice day. Make sure to stay away from the victims and keep all future court dates.
Está bien, usted pase buen día, asegúrese de mantenerse en contacto con sus abogados y alejado de las víctimas.
Next, we have Christopher Guzman, page 3. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for false imprisonment and battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
So,
There's
But isn't
probable
it-
cause.
right, there's some criminal history out of county. There was a DUI arrest in Lee County back in March. Other arrests, Lee County, I see a probation violation.
He has a probation violation?
No, he's previously had.
Fine. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, whose initials are VRL. So no contact with the victim VRL, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim's home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. And you may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail. You must be accompanied by a police officer so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools. If you go to the victim's home without the police, or if you stay there, you will be arrested. Do you understand the stay away order?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'll give him free trial. Did you hire a bondsman? Or no?
Can we also see how long he's been in Miami?
I'm trying to get a bondsman. I had to wait for first appearance, they said.
You what?
They said I had to wait for first appearance, bondsman.
Whatever you like. I'll give him free trial. Pretrial services alternate bond, count 1, false imprisonment. It's $2,500. Count 2, battery is $1,000. Have a good day. Next, Marlene Bell, page 3.
Your Honor, can we take Mr. Ghana? We passed him. Jose Ghana.
What?
Can we take Mr. Jose Ghana? We passed him.
I really can. What do you want me to do?
Can we take?
Jose Grana, he should be the last person.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Jose Grana, page 6. Is he there? Page 2, I mean, pardon me.
Your Honor, on his traffic, he received free trial.
All right. Mr. Grana, come on down. Sir, you were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause for the charge. Pretrial services alternate bond, $2,500. Have a nice day. $2,500. Next is Marlene Bell, page 3. Rhonda was on 2. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of a firearm, weapon, or ammunition by a convicted felon. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me review for probable cause. So the gun's on the driver's side front floorboard. He's, I guess, a passenger in the car. He's the front passenger. I guess there's probable cause based on the statements that he and her use the car for a DoorDash. I don't see any convictions for Mr. Bell.
There's one, Judge. If you look, let me see. It's F14-14163, the second case.
Okay. Well, the facts here show it's more like in her control than his. I'll set his bond at $5,000. Good luck to you, sir. You can't be in the car when there's a gun. Next is Alex Duran Rojas, page 3. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for driving with a suspended license, third or subsequent conviction.
Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes, ma'am.
Buenas tardes, señora. Usted lo arrestaron por estar manejando con una licencia suspendida, siendo esta la tercera o más.
I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Su señoría le va a designar el bufete de abogado de oficio para que le represente.
There is probable cause for the charge.
Y su señoría determina que hay motivo fundado ante dicha acusación.
I would ask for pretrial service.
I don't know if I want to give it to him. He keeps driving.
Did
Su
a jail
abogado,
sentence earlier this year.
He has a lot of priors
That's from a 2020. Those are
for driving. He has a lot of driving priors.
su señoría, la abogado de oficio está pidiendo que le habiliten el servicio de intervención previa a juicio. Su señoría no está segura si quiere hacerlo y la fiscal adjunta le está recordando a su señoría que
I'll
cada
set
vez
a
que usted
bond, $1,500. No driving unless you have a valid license.
$1,500 de fianza, usted no puede volver a manejar a menos que tenga licencia válida. He said something, but I couldn't hear him.
Next is Wendy Martinez, page 3. Good afternoon, sir. Do you speak English? Spanish? Sir, you were arrested for possession of a controlled substance called crack cocaine.
Señor, usted lo arrestaron por estar en posesión de una sustancia controlada. Eso es cocaína en piedra.
Appoint the public defender's office for you.
Su señoría le está designando el bufete de abogado de oficio para que le represente.
But there's probable cause for the charge.
Y ella determina que hay motivo fundado ante dicha acusación.
So you're out on felony bond. There is a hold for you to see the division judge tomorrow for your open felony case.
Usted estaba fuera bajo fianza por delito mayor, así que hay orden de retención para que usted vea a su juez de división mañana.
The bond on this case is $2,500 and the hold case number is F2520774.
Usted le van a poner fianza de $2,500 por este delito, pero el delito que lo retiene es un delito de este año enumerado 20774.
Have a nice day, sir.
Pase buen día. Buenas tardes, señor.
Next, we have Joshua West.
Your Honor, on his traffic, he received 6,000 plus house arrest.
Oh, he must have had a lot of traffic for that to happen. Oh, it's a DUI for the subsequent. Hi, Mr. West, please come forward. Sir, you were arrested for driving under the influence. It says with third or subsequent conviction. So can you afford to hire a private lawyer?
No, ma'am.
Pardon me?
No.
I couldn't hear.
He cannot
I
afford.
will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me review.
So Judge, I gave you his traffic
I
printout.
have a copy of the
before,
traffic.
and I sent it to
print.
Miss Corey. Hopefully it went through.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
So it was a traffic accident. The officer smelled alcohol in his breath. He refused a breath sample. It doesn't mention any prior convictions, so you gave me this, so I have to review the state of Florida Florida Highways Safety and Motor Vehicle Traffic Printout.
So there was a DUI conviction.
September 11,
21. Right. It said his blood alcohol is 2.81.
What?
It lists the blood alcohol next to it, 2.281. There's another DUI conviction for an incident that happened in December, and then he was convicted a couple of weeks ago. So this is his third.
This is the third. Okay. So a set of bonds. Let me just see something. Did he strike an officer? It says he made contact with the officer McDonald's, who stated he came to a complete stop at an intersection of Alpha West 12th Avenue and 84th Street when a truck rear-ended him. He struck an officer. That's not good. This is at a 10:30 or 10:25 at night. All right, so it's a third-degree felony. What do you want, Steve? $2,500 bond?
The increased bond may be warranted. The misdemeanor judge increased the bond and added house arrest. Although he's from out of county, it appears.
He's from the Panhandle. I'm not sure how he's going to be able to do house arrest on the other case, Judge.
So in this case, we're trying to do 5,000.
Oh, this is Mr. West. Why would they give him house arrest if he's not from here?
It doesn't make any sense. It's impossible.
So I'm asking you to not touch the other case. I don't know what the judge is going to want to do in light of the fact that he may not be able to go on house arrest.
Corrections. Are they still there or no? They finished?
They're finished already.
I'm setting his bond at $5,000. That's because it involved an accident. Good day, sir.
That was just proposed
It was yesterday?
today.
Oh, the no drive order. He's gonna have an automatic 1-year revocation anyway. Suspension, excuse me, 1-year suspension. This gets filed with that. Next, we have Daniel Pedroza, page 4.
Bond out.
Thank you. Patrick Morrow.
Bond out.
You said bond out?
Yes, ma'am.
These are my 2 favorite words. Bond out. Okay, thank you. Page 4, Orlando Sotelo.
NBC, Your Honor.
You want to waive, Miss Corey?
He's right here.
Oh, then never mind.
I apologize.
Bench.
Long day. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer, corrections officer. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Spanish, please.
Señor, buenas tardes. Usted lo arrestaron por agresión corporal a un agente del orden, ya sea policía o carcelero.
So it's alleged you struck the female corrections officer.
Se alega que usted golpeó a una
Face.
carcelera.
I'm setting a bond. It's $5,000. Have a good
Le
day.
están imponiendo fianza de $5,000. Pase usted buenas tardes.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was the bond?
$5,000. Next, Darwin Alvarado, page 5. We reset this for,
Yeah, he went to Metro West, Your Honor.
he's still NBC?
Yes.
All right, reset it tomorrow. Then Christopher Cocroft,
Number 20,
NBC, Your Honor.
we can waive this present.
appoint the public defender's office, waive presence, there's probable cause. Bond is $2,500. I think that's it, right?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good afternoon, everyone. See you tomorrow. Maybe. Video, we're done.
Recording stopped.